Replace the drum. Before operating, you need to prepare tool, an Allen key. Using an Allen key, rotate counterclockwise. Remove the hexagon socket bolts from the left side of the drum. Pick up the drum and remove the small belt. On the right side of the drum, thread the new drum into the running belt. Place the small belt on the small roller of the drum. Fix the drum with one hand. Roll the small belt and drum together backwards, with one hand forcefully. Make sure the small belt is tightly wrapped on the small roller. Place the screw back in place and insert it into the bolt hole. At the same time, use an Allen key to fix the bolt clockwise. Then turn on the power and turn on the walking pad. Observe that the running belt, drum, motor, and small belt can all run smoothly.